In this class I will explain shortcut keys, access keys and one program. So in the last class we have seen how to create shortcut keys. The shortcut keys are the combination of control keys, okay, and the access keys are the combination of alt key pressing, right? So access keys are used to open a menu. It allows the user to open a menu by pressing alt key and typing a designated letter. So access key assignments appears as an underlined letter in the menu controls caption. Access key assignment appears as an underlined letter in the menu's control caption. Okay. So same key is not allowed for two menu items in the same menu. To assign an access key to a menu control in the menu design window, then simply shortcut keys we select the box, we select from the box, okay. So but how to create access keys? Access keys are the combination of alt key plus a designated letter, okay. To select the menu item to which you want to assign an access key, in the caption box type an ampersand in front of the letter which you want to be the access key, okay, which you want to be the access key, okay, right in front of the letter which you want, which letter you want to press the combination of alt key, just put ampersand here, okay. So I will show this shortcut key and access key in a program. Write a program to create a menu with two menu items to change the background of a form. So open standard.exe, open menu editor window, design the menu as follows. After setting the menu editor, colors is typed in the caption text box and menu colors in the name text box. The ampersand character underlines the letter C. This property allows us to press alt key combination. So for colors I am giving here ampersand, okay. So in front of the C letter I put ampersand, means I want to make this C, I want to open this colors menu by pressing alt key combination, alt plus C. When I press alt plus C, the menu has to be activated, so that I have given this ampersand in front of this C, right? Okay, so the ampersand character underlines the letter C. This property allows us to press alt plus key combination. So when the program is running, the next button is clicked and ampersand green is typed in the caption text box. MN green is the name of the menu item. The right arrow to go to the next level of menu item. The next button is next blue, right? Okay, the next button is clicked and exit button is typed, and write the following code. So by clicking on the green button, write this following code: form1.backcolor is equals to VB green. So this type of code we have seen in the first program. Form1.backcolor is equals to VB green, okay. So then next MN blue enabled is true, okay. So when I click on this green button, I want to make this green button as disabled, okay, and next blue button has to be enabled, okay. So that's the code I will show in the program. This is for exit button, run the code, okay. So this program I will develop and I will show you now. Open this VB 6.0, open this one, open this menu editor here, colors are the menu items, menu colors are the menu. So the name is MN color, MNRS, okay. This colors menu I want to access with alt key through keyboard, that is I am giving ampersand here, right? So ampersand means so colors, ampersand gives the line, underline. It means that this will be activated with alt key combination through keyboard, right? So here the next one, colors, click on next, right? Here in this one I am giving this red, and the name is MN red, okay, MN red. So then next, this is the next level, okay. So when we click on these colors, the menu items appears as to be red and green, okay. I'm giving this menu green, okay, and this is mn green. The next level is, click on next, and this back, okay, and this back here give type exit, okay, so mn exit, and next in that I'm giving end, okay, so end, mn end. For this one I want to assign a shortcut key. So for end I want to assign a shortcut key, that is Control EX, okay. This is the alt key combination and this is the shortcut key combination. Just click on OK. That's all. Okay, so when you click on these colors, it shows two menu items, red and green, okay, and the C, underline C, means it is activated with alt key combination at runtime. So when you click on this end means Control X. This is the shortcut key. Shortcut keys are assigned with Control key combination. Access keys are assigned or activated with alt key combination, okay. So now I want to write a code, red, mn red is the name. So in that form1 dot back color is equals to VB red. I'm closing this one and I'm opening one more, that is form1 dot back color is equals to VB green. These are all the color constraints, okay. I'm closing this one. I want to write code for this end. Simply the code for end is end, right, okay. So close this one and run the application, okay. So I want to make this as maximize. I want to see the form full screen, right. So run this application and this is the colors and exit, right. So I want to make this form caption as menu driven application, okay, menu driven application. Right, now run this application. This is a menu driven application. Here two menus, colors and exit menu. In the colors menu, two menu options, red and green. In the exit menu, only one menu option, that is end. So the colors will be activated with alt C combination, okay. Now C, alt C combination, it is activating, right. So I'm clicking on this red, right. Form back color is red. I'm clicking on this green, the form back color is green, okay. So when you click on this end directly by mouse or Control X, okay, please close the program, right. So and we can also control these menus at runtime, means when you click on this red, I want to make this red menu as inactive and green only active. When you click on this green, I want to make this green as inactive and red only active. This is nothing but controlling the menus at runtime. For that purpose I am writing the code. See here. So when I press green, what is the mn green is the name of this button. Mn green dot enabled is a property, enabled false, okay, and mn red dot enabled is true, right. The same way here also, when I pressing this red, mn red dot enabled is false, mn dot enabled is false, and mn green dot enabled is true. It is nothing but controlling the menus at runtime. When we click on this green button, the green will appear as a form back color and the green button is inactivated and this red button is activated. Now see the effect.